Hello there, it's Vinicius Arcanjo speaking here, and today I'd like to show you guys a brief demo of kyslacker, which is an app that you can run on top of Kytos SDN platform. So first of all, let me show you the documentation of this NApp. So if you visit this GitHub page, this repo, kyslacker, which is under my username, Vinicius Arcanjo, you can find the documentation here. So first of all, what is kyslacker? Kyslacker is an app that is intended to be used for notification and automation, especially as far as sending some alerts for OpenFlow networks. So basically, if you are running Kytos, you can leverage kyslacker in order to do that. Essentially, kyslacker is just a wrapper around Slacker, which is a Python package that interfaces with the Slack API. And as you can see here, you have two methods to send messages, either via Kytos native message queue, which is by instantiating a Kytos event, which is very simple. And the second one is by leveraging the REST API. As you can see here, there's this endpoint, which basically you can simply post a JSON object and your message will be sent. And there are more explanations here, but it's very straightforward to set up this NApp. Basically, you have to install the requirements, which is simply kyslacker, and then as soon as you enable this kyslacker NApp, you're ready to go. And the fourth step is that you have to set up the bot API token in the file settings.py in order to have authorization to post a Slack message by using your bot. If you don't have a token yet, there are more information here that you can use in order to create your bot. And now I'd like to start off with the option number one, which is by leveraging the Kytos native event. There's this simple code snippet here that you can analyze later on, but now I'm gonna head back to my shell and show you by giving some examples. So first of all, let me start Kytos in the first place. So now I am on Kytos repo, as you can see. Which Python? I'm running Python 3.6.1 on this virtual environment, and basically I'm gonna pip install Slacker, which is the dependency. As you can see, I've already set up this, and now I'm gonna start Kytos, and let's see which naps are running right now. As you can see, there are some core naps which ship with Kytos in the first place, and also as you can see, kyslacker has been already pre-configured and enabled. So now let me head back to kyslacker repo. So I'm here now, and like I said before, the fourth step is to set up the settings.py. I'm not gonna open up this file because I don't want to show you the token that I'm using here, but essentially you can change that and just have to update the string. And now I'm gonna enable the kyslacker client. So before I enable the kyslacker client, let me show you the code first. Kyslacker client, there you are. And as you can see here, I'm gonna open up the main file.py here, and it's very straightforward. So as you can see here, there's this Kytos event, and specifically I'm using this channel random test on Slack, and basically there's this source which you can specify a name that you're interested, which is the source of this event. And if you'd like, you can specify also a tag, which in this case is simply a informational tag, and the payload itself is the actual message that will be sent. which in this case I'm simulating that this message is supposed to inform that a layer 2 circuit X was provisioned for a specific customer named A. So it's very simple, as you can see. And now I'm gonna enable this kyslacker client NApp. So Kytos NApp's enable Vinicius Arcanjo / kyslacker client. Let me head back to Kytos repo first. Right on. So as you can see on the top of my screen, there's this message, because on the setup message, the NApp simply does that. It posts that message just once. So that was the notification. As you can see on Kytos log here, that message that I was talking before of the layer 2 circuit X. So if I go to the Slack application here, you can see this bot just posted this message, which is very nice for your notifications. As you can see, you can have several levels of automation, and it's very interesting. The potential is very, very nice. And okay, so now let me show you the second method. So let me change here directory to kyslacker. And basically on this repo, there's this JSON file, which is an example of the payload that you can send. So as you can see, the channel is random test, and now I'm gonna change the payload for I'm just testing this message. And now I'm gonna post on that specific endpoint. So using curl, I'm gonna send this message.json file, and there you are. Another notification just showed up in the corner of my screen here, as you can see. And that's all that I have to share with you today, guys. So if you haven't tried Kytos yet, it's a very nice SDN platform, completely written in Python. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick demo. See you guys later. Bye.